In this video, I'll show you how to update your Epson Workforce WF-2930. So the first step is to press the home button on the control panel. Next, using these buttons, we need to select settings. So we're going to simply press on the left or the right one until we see settings and then press OK. Then again with these buttons, we're going to navigate until we get to firmware update. Press OK. There's update, that's the first option, press OK again. Your printer needs to be connected to a Wi-Fi network to be able to update. So from here, you're going to press OK. OK. Again OK. It will check to see if there is any firmware update available. And if there is, you're going to see preparing to update. Do not touch anything on the printer, do not turn it off, and of course do not unplug it from the wall outlet. If you do so, you risk breaking your printer, breaking it, and it will not be usable. So do not touch anything once it starts updating. We'll get back to it once it's done. Alright, so it took around, I would say, 5 minutes and the update has been completed. At the end, the printer will shut down and restart by itself. And you're gonna get the main menu page over here, and this is about it. The firmware has been updated on your Epson Workforce. If you found my video useful, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, check my Amazon affiliate links if you want to get some paper, but also some ink for your WF-2930, and I'll see you in the next video.